Hi my dear students, let us begin Mathematics class 7 exercise 4.2 simple equation question number 4. Solve the following equation. Now in the first question they did not ask you to do anything, just they ask you to solve. So it is left to you, you can solve it. As I suggested you in the previous video also, our first intention is to separate the variable to get the value of p. Here if they ask you to solve means you have to find out the value of variable 10p is equal to 100. How can we make the separate? It is multiplied by 10. If we divide by 10 will get cancelled. So divide in both sides by 10. So 10p divided by 10, 100 divided by 10. So we have to divide by 100. We will get 10 ones are 10, 10 tens are 100. So the value you will get p is equal to 10. The same way, let us go to the second question. 10p is equal to 100. Subtracting both sides by 10, because here plus 10 is there, we can remove this 10 by subtracting. So 10p plus 10 minus 10 is equal to 100 minus 10. 10 we will get 0. 10p is equal to 100 minus 10, 90. Now again with the p there is 10. So it is multiplied by 10. If we divide by 10, we will get dividing both sides by 10. 10p divided by 10, 90 divided by 10. So we will get 10 get cancelled. 10 ones are 10 nines are. So p is equal to 9. Now see question. P divided by 4 is equal to 5. It's very easy. If we multiply it by 4, the p will be separated. The variable will be separated. So let us do the same thing. Multiplying both sides by p. So p divided by 4. 4 get cancelled. Then 5 4s are, because whatever we do in the both the sides, left hand side as well as to right hand side, to balance the equation. So p is equal to 20. 4 5s are, 5 4s are 20. Now let us go to the D question. Minus p divided by 3 is equal to 5. Here minus p is there, my dear students. The variable is in the form of minus. So let us be little careful. Multiplying both sides by minus 3. What we are going to do? We are going to do with the minus 3. 3 get cancelled. 3 ones are 3 minus 1s are. Then 5 minus 3s are, we will get minus 15. Minus p into minus 1, we will get plus. We have learned in the integer minus become plus. So now the variable has become plus. P is equal to minus 15. Hope you understood why we have done in this way. Now let us go to the E question. 3p divided by 4 is equal to 6. Multiplying both sides by 4. Why? Because to remove this 4, if I multiply, the 4 will get cancelled. The 4 will get cancelled. 4 both will get. Then 6 4s are 24. 3p is equal to 24. Dividing both sides by 3. Why? Because 3 is multiplied with the variable. 3 get cancelled. Then p is equal to 24 divided by 3. But simplification can be done. 3 ones are, 3 8s are. So p is equal to 8. Now let us go to the F question. 3s is equal to minus 9. Dividing both sides by 3. 3s. And so if we divide, we will get cancellation 3. So 3 s is equal to minus 9. 3 1s are, 3 3s are. So minus 3. S is equal to minus 3. Hope you understood. Now G question. 3s plus 2 plus 12 is equal to 0. Here two terms are there, 3s and 12. So let us remove first 12, subtracting both sides by 12. 3s plus 12 minus 12 is equal to 0 minus 12. 3s is equal to minus 12. Now to separate the variable with the s, if we divide it, dividing both sides by 3, so we have divided, we will get cancellation 3 3, then 3 1s are 3 4s are, so we will get s is equal to minus 4. S is equal to minus 4. Up to G tak problems over. Next let us go to the next question, that is H. Question H. 3s is equal to 0. Dividing both sides by 3, then we can separate the variable. 3s divided by 3, 3 get cancelled. So 0 divided by 1, s is equal to 0. Now let us go to the I question. 2q is equal to 6. How to separate the variable? By dividing both sides by 2. 2q divided by 2. Here we will get 2 cancel. Then 2 1s are 2 3s are. So q is equal to 3. Now let us go to the J question. 2q is minus 6 is equal to 0. Adding both sides by 6. So we can get it 2 cube minus 6 plus 6, 0 plus 6. Then we will get 2q is equal to 6. Dividing both sides by 2, we will get the 2 will get cancellation. 2 1s are 2 3s are. So we will get q is equal to 3. Now let us go to the K question. 2q plus 6 is equal to 0. Here two terms are there. So let us first separate the 6 by subtracting both the sides 6. Then 2q plus 6 minus 6, 0 minus 6. So hope you are understanding. Both the sides we have to do. 2q is equal to minus 6. Now how to separate 2q? By dividing 2. Dividing both sides by 2. Then we will get 2q divided by 2. 2 will get cancelled. 2 1s are 2 3s are, but minus 3 is there. So q is equal to minus 3. The next one, 2q plus 6 is equal to 12. Here also the two terms are there. So what we will do? Subtracting both sides by 6. Then 2q plus 6 minus 6 is equal to 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6 will get 6. 2q is equal to 6. Now dividing both sides by 2, we will get 2 get cancellation. Q is equal to, but 2 1s are 2 3s are. So answer is q is equal to 3. Hope you understood how to solve all these problems. Thank you, my dear students.